This AI can turn text into Hollywood-style videos in seconds, no camera, no editing. If you want to create viral videos using AI, this tool will change everything. Introducing Runway Gen-3. It turns text into video, images into video, with cinematic motion and realism. First, go to Runway and create an account. Next, click text to video, specifically Gen-3. Now, enter a powerful prompt. For example, a cinematic drone shot of a busy African city at sunset, ultra-realistic, smooth camera motion. Generate your video, then download and post on YouTube Shorts or Reels. You can use it for motivational videos, AI storytelling, business ads, music visuals, or even faceless YouTube channels. Monetize these videos through YouTube Shorts by selling AI video services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or creating brand promo videos. Subscribe for daily AI tools that make you money.